Hello everyone, welcome to first ever episode on FiveM on my channel. Obviously it's going to be something new, but I'm going to be starting to do things like this quite a lot more. So, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Charlie November 475.
Charlie November 87, status 0. Gentleman's got a firearm on Panorama.
Yeah, still minus active or raging. Any and all Trojan units, please, are available towards Panorama Drive Yellow Jack for a firearm.
Control confirm it's Yellow Jack.
Confirm. Stay safe message in place at the time of 21:12. Any unarmed assets to leave the area immediately.
Haven't even had the time to kill up.
Charlie November 87, active message. Gentleman's making towards the premises. It's an IC1 male in his 30s, wearing a white shirt, black vest, black trousers. He's got a beard and long brown hair.
This isn't there, is it?
Stop it. Met control, I can't authorize, I'm not Metro Alpha.
87, he's currently making off in a red in colour muscle car. He's just fired a shot out the window. He's making off towards Route 68. There is a fire in place, so we can get LFB vacant. Scene is now safe.
This firearm being shot off the Republic.
87, yeah, firearms been discharged towards police.
Control the right Oscar Charlie 49.
Right, well, we're arriving now.
Oscar Charlie 49, go ahead.
Can I have you towards Hercules 121 location, please? It's going to be a speech across with Belgium.
Yes, 49, stick by.
Well, it was short-lived, obviously. Call is over, I believe. Or my dad made off from it. But obviously down in just in case. You're right.
Trojan 2 control.
Trojan 2, go ahead.
Come on, my car.
Yeah, can you show me busy from that call?
1 minute.
I was en route. Can I have a brass member if there's one available as well, please?
Negative, I don't believe there's any available.
Charlie 3-2, I am available. I'm on this 101 job, but there's completely nothing here.
Yeah, received. If you are free to break off, then feel free to move towards.
Yeah, I'm lost.
Stop it. Trojan 2H, pass a location for Charlie 32.
Yeah, it's northbound lanes, Mike 25, just before the split for the Mike 1.
Trojan 32, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm one seeing Yellow Jack panic mode. Suspect's no longer in sight, but I'm going to be staying around the area. I'll get to try to return to the scene. Just let you know.
You received Trojan assets on this. If it's a loss, I've just had a call come in about somebody being held at gunpoint at the Panorama Drive airfield.
I'll head to that.
So if you the assets on this one to make towards.
You do it, I'll make way now.
475 related to this.
Right, now heading to possibly a call that's in relation to this.
I'm not sure if that's related.
Obviously, someone's got a firearm. Trojan 45 control.
Go ahead.
Could we possibly get a interrupt for this airfield job?
If assets on this job want to move to interrupts 1, interrupts 1.
4-5 channel.
Yes, for us, operating SFA, no matter Brad available. You can't see what we've got at the moment in time. You could be hidden somewhere, so keep that in mind.
I'm right next to yours. Oh. Right, well.
Right,
So-
I'll approach and see what's going on. Just keep in mind.
Yeah, just-
Firearm or a hostage. Hey, land. I don't know what he's trying to do here.
Neither do I.
I don't know what he's trying to do.
Unless he's trying to. He's clearly trying to do something to that car.
I'll walk around.
Yeah, just keep in mind that it is a helicopter. It is. Oh, he's turning the engine off. No, he isn't. He's landing it now.
I don't want to approach and get hit by a helicopter, you know what I mean?
Do you want me to pop around in my car?
Hey, turn it off now. Well, approach safely.
Oh wait, no, hold up. I've just finished reading the thing now.
Hello, sir. What's going on?
What do you mean, what's going on?
Oh, what's going on? We had an 999 call from this area, okay?
Really?
Up helicopter.
What?
Turn it off.
What do you mean turn it off?
Turn off the engine. Top helicopter.
Oh god. That's not ideal. Oh, I gotta love anything to do with helicopters.
Multi panic's going off.
Urgent message.
Yeah, free to go ahead.
Male who's had the firearms made off in a helicopter. Before taking off, he has rammed said helicopter into a Trojan asset and he's currently down.
Received Met Control. Can I have Trojan assets, please? Interrupts 1 for this. We'll stay in interrupts 1.
I don't think I'm moving.
Yeah, are you with us?
It's been
Hello, can you hear
smacked
me?
by a helicopter.
Oh, smashing, right?
Seth, who's in a helicopter, had a firearm. We approached of our rifles drawn.
Right.
The helicopter engine was stopped. We step out. Stand
Okay,
by,
let's-
turn back. Watch.
Shit. We'll keep working that if he's vest off him.
If he lands,
What's his name?
unsure. If he lands, getting shot. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
We've got it, we're fine. We're fine.
Is he breathing?
Fucking hell.
It's normal behaviour, don't worry about it.
Just don't stand up, is all I'm gonna say.
Well, yes.
I think our best bet really is to just put vehicles around us.
It's been working that's what just
Watch, trying to aim for us. Watch out!
You're
Watch out.
alright, we'll keep ducked. Our best bet is to get vehicles around us, so
Yeah, I'm gonna try to, but I'm not gonna.
yeah. Just try not to get chopped up. That should do us nicely.
We'll probably be fine. Oh, there's my car. Not breathing, okay, I'm gonna start CPR. Can you get hold of ambulance?
Yes.
I'm scared to get in the car now.
It's not
Well,
real
that
ambulance, but
reader.
we're working on it.
Oh, well, you know.
It's just us.
Is anyone able to come to Panorama Drive? Please, you've got a gentleman in cardiac arrest.
Right, so you're starting interrupts from interrupt number 1. This man is really risking it, isn't he? Oh.
Have you got defib in any of those cars?
Of all of them, mate, yeah.
All of
we'll
them.
all have it.
When you finish
DVD,
this
we've
fight
got
in the
vehicles,
helicopter,
we'll be right.
defib, hands defib, there you go.
thank you.
Right.
Do you want to try and clear his shirt and get those electrodes patched? Oh, never mind, I'm dead.
Ah, lovely. Right.
At least I'm keeping you alive.
There we go, it hit me in the hair, we're fine, we'll win. Give me
Just
a
keep
hair,
as low as you can.
that's all.
Do you mind not sniffing my foot, please, Reese?
I think this one's one that comes through.
It's just not ideal, is it? It's just
It's
not,
not.
ideal.
Just
Why am I-
Keep him here, we'll just keep as low as possible because he can't get us if we're on the floor. Like that.
Shit.
Oh, sorry, was that me?
Do you mind?
Guys, what's going on here? Where's he crawling to?
Don't ask. The cover.
Yep, that'll happen.
Crawl into cover. I'm holding something, I don't know what I'm holding.
You're holding
You
me.
need...
You, okay, well that's, there it is.
Right.
Right, I think we're gonna be fine. Mostly.
You're not gonna like it,
Yeah, no, I see what you're planning, and
but I've got an idea. We just need time to pull it off.
I'm trying to dodge the helicopter and the bullet.
I mean, really,
I
they
feel like,
shouldn't be doing it.
Smoking.
I feel like throwing an escape
Calm
pod
down
into
slowly now,
this.
hopefully.
Oh, and somebody else. Oh, right, that's police for fine. We'll win.
Bring that rover around for cover. We're military in this by the looks of it. Come here.
Yeah, good idea, mate.
Close
Try
as you
to
can,
get yourself
we're
to
going
top
for my
down. I'm
vehicle.
trying to get his engine. Yes, fucking. What I'm
Right.
gonna do it in his low so he doesn't crash.
Fuck me. That's not cool. 475, any objections to letting the Home Office handle this one? That's the 4th time it's done that.
Yeah, I was just jumping at that point.
No worries. Once you're up, clear yourselves, I'll let control know when he's free.
He's dead.
That's killed my.
Right.
I think he's
We'll
dead.
bugger off. I'll let control know when he's finally got a minute. Let's just bugger off before he gets to go.
I just put into his RAF flip helicopter.
Yeah. Right, I've got no door. See you later, lads.
Happen, Reese. You might want to get a door.
Yeah, it's UPS, innit?
We're gonna tell LFB about this.
Fire's out. Fire's out. Fire's out, Nicholas.
Never mind. What fire? When was there a fire? I don't remember one. Where's your bells gone as well?
Oh, no.
Well done. Right, I'm gonna go back to my car. To be fair, my car's actually hopefully in one piece. Not ideal, but
Is this going up now? Yeah. No, good.
Yeah, we know this one last. Just confirm that's an APR or not.
Negative.
Roger.
87, I'm in the green if I'm needed anywhere.
Received.
Speak to control tower.
Go ahead.
Yeah, mate, should go back in the Jeep from that job and you can take it on the cab.
Received.
is it the same person Who's giving you a pilot's license?
I've been hit off by a mini.
Oh! I'm just trying to get in your bloody.
Given this man.
You know what? Have fun flying, just don't crash it. And that's where I give up. I think he's died again.
He's got a fucking he's got a fire truck.
Oh mate,
Get him,
we've got budget cuts, so all the emergency services are in one thing, you know. It's crap.
Oh, what a cock. What's he doing? Christ.
Well, I think this is where I'm going to end this video because I don't want to deal with that anymore. So,
Division 2-6 MPM active message, vehicle fire stop.
that's not exactly what I was planning for today, but it's what happened. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. God knows when that will be, but hopefully soon. I'll try and keep this constant. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed it. See you all in the next one.